What's going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I'm hitting y'all up with another Fortnite features tutorial where y'all can start beating up, slaying, hot dogging bots on Fortnite. No more struggling to get kills. If you just have an ounce of experience playing this game, you should win every single one. Just look at the gameplay right here. I'm literally just pounding on these bots. They can't do anything. They don't even see me coming. They're just lost in the sauce, man. I'm just going off. I'm getting my ego up, my confidence, and maybe after doing so well in these games, I can get the confidence to kick butt against real players in real lobbies. So if you want to find out how you can easily get into those bot lobbies in Fortnite, stay tuned in this video because I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's go. Alright, so to get into these bot lobbies in Fortnite Battle Royale, there are two methods that you can follow. The first one, you can use an external device. So if you're on the PlayStation 4 normally, get another device. It can be something like your iPad, you can use a cell phone, just use whatever you have on you. It could be another Xbox if you want to use that as well. But find another device you can use and download Fortnite Battle Royale to that device. If you're using a computer or mobile device, you will have to make a new Epic account. So just use some phony email, doesn't matter which email you use. You can just create a new one off of Gmail and use that as your email for your new Epic account. Complete the required information to create the new Epic account and remember your password because you're gonna need that so you can log in to your device with that Epic account. Once the app is finished installing on your device, go ahead and log in using your new Epic ID credentials. And now once you're successfully logged in and the game is loaded, go ahead to the Battle Royale mode. You'll clearly see that this is a brand new account. It'll say level 1 on it. You're in good shape. Now most of you probably know you can add your main account by just using the add friend feature within the lobby, but for some reason that was not working for me. So in case you're running into the same issue that I am, not being able to find your main account using the add friend option, what you're gonna have to do is go back to the main menu of the Fortnite app where you see that yellow square that says play. Under that, you'll see the friend list icon. If you select that, the following page after will have an add friends button that you can click where you can send a friend request to your main account. Once you've done that, go over to your main device with your main Fortnite account on it and accept that friend request from that level 1 account. And from there, I join session so that I could be in the same lobby with that new account. Once you have your main account and your level 1 account all in the same lobby, you can choose duos or squads. It doesn't matter, you'll still be put into a bot lobby. Even if you do fill, it'll still be a bot lobby. So go ahead and choose whichever game mode you want and ready up both of the players and you'll be loaded into an entire bot lobby, guys. It is seriously that easy. You can just go to town on these bots. Sometimes they might get a laser or two in there on you, but for the most part, you'll be able to take these guys down without a problem and get an easy victory royale. Now for the second method to get into a Fortnite Battle Royale lobby full of bots is you're gonna need an extra controller. So this is mine here. This is my main controller. I got 2 controllers on me here and this can be used as a second screen device. What you're gonna wanna do here is pair that second controller with the PlayStation or Xbox and log into an account that also hasn't used Fortnite or you already know is a level 1. Now that you have the controller logged in, go ahead and activate the split screen functionality within Fortnite. And from here you can choose duos and squads again and it'll be a complete bot lobby. As you can see, I readied up both of the controllers. I'm into a game here and I'm just laying out again. And it's easy, guys. Even though I'm not that big of a fan of split screen, I feel like there's a little bit of input delay and it just doesn't feel as smooth and as nice as when you use the single player option. Plus you're looking at a smaller screen and it just doesn't look as appealing to the eye. But this is another option that can work in case you don't have a second device such as a laptop, computer, or another type of console. To be real, guys, after using the split screen functionality this one time here, I was getting real woozy and I got a headache trying to stare at that little screen, the input, the lag. I was not enjoying myself. That's all I'm gonna say. So if I do this again, I'm gonna be using the single player option and I'll just have that second device just die in the storm. I'm sorry. Overall though, personally for me, it's kind of boring to be in bot lobbies. There's just no challenge. You're just running around the map sometimes for long periods of time, not finding anybody, even though you can do that in a regular game, but it's just more exciting when somebody can actually build against you and not just look at the staircase building above them. And on top of that, guys, the wins don't even count, at least from what I've seen. I went into the Fortnite stat tracker. I didn't see my numbers for wins go up, and it said that I won a default bot lobby game. So I don't think they would count that as a real win. But regardless, I think your main benefits for being in a bot lobby is you can get some high kills, you can do some trick shots, you can work on your aim. I think all of those are beneficial in these kind of lobbies. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you came to enjoy the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and also subscribe to the channel with those post notifications on. If you're new around here and you wanna see more videos like this, I do some other tutorials, I do some live streams. We have fun around here. Every person that leaves a comment on this video, I'm gonna hook you up with my limited edition supply of delicious toilet paper. I'm just playing, guys. Y'all ain't getting my toilet paper. But stay safe out there, guys. Wash your hands. I know it's some crazy times right now, but we'll get through it together. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.